So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to Air Stewardess World. कैसे हो आप सब? I hope you all are doing absolutely well. So the topic for today is training fees for cabin crew. I'm not talking about any institute training here. If you get selected in any Indian airline, the training which airline provides, the Indian airlines such as Indigo, SpiceJet, Go Air, Vistara, Air India, Air Asia and so on, they charge some amount of fees before the training, okay? And I'm going to tell you why airline charges fees, the reason behind this, okay? So पहले के ज़माने में ट्रेनिस से कोई फीस ली नहीं जाती थी. So what trainees used to do is they used to complete their training, and then as soon as the flying license was issued to them, they used to go for any another airline or any international airline, okay? So the airline which invested so much money on their trainees, they used to go in loss. So from that time the airline started to take some deposit, which is 50,000 rupees, and also they make their trainees to sign the contract of minimum 3 years, and if you won't leave the airline for 3 years, you will be getting rupees 1.5 lakh rupees back, the interest of the deposit which you paid. So here दोनों का भी profit हो रहा है. For example, trainees will get rupees 1.5 lakh rupees, which is the interest amount of 50,000 rupees, okay? And the airline also gets the contract of 3 years from their trainees, okay? And there are some airlines such as SpiceJet which charges 75,000 rupees, but the amount of the training fees is between 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees, which is affordable. And even if you are giving this charges, it is recovered after your 1 or 2 salaries. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have talked about almost everything. I hope you have liked the video. If you have any doubt, DM me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is in the description box. And if you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button, and do not forget to share and subscribe. Those who subscribe to this channel, a very big thank you to one and all. And those who haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel, and do let me know in comment box what all videos you want me to make related to cabin crew. So that's all. Bye bye. Take care of you and your family. Love you all.
Superwoman of Pan Am Flight 73, and also a woman who has been abused physically and mentally. Today is the story of a warrior who fought in her life and who fought for others' life. The fearless, the brave heart Neeraja Banod, who stood as an armor for 380 passengers and 13 crew members. Born on 7 September 1963 in Chandigarh to Harishan Rama Banod. She has 2 brothers and she is the darling of her family and calls her Ladu. She studied in Chandigarh and later in Mumbai, where she became a model, endorsing brands like Binaka toothpaste, Forehand and Godrej. At the age of 19, she was married to a marine engineer and moved to Sharjah, UAE. There, the lovely daughter got abused, verbal taunts, threats. She was not even given food. After 2 months, Banod left her husband, returned to Mumbai to her parents. She was broke but did not give up. She did not let her past ruin her future. So she found her way against all odds. She became a flight attendant. One day during her job, she took Pan Am Flight 73 on September 5, 1986 from Mumbai to reach New York City. In midway, it landed in Karachi. The flight was carrying Indians, Germans, Americans, Pakistanis, and other nationalities. 4 armed Palestinian men belonging to Abu Nidal organization hijacked the aircraft. They dressed as airport security guards entered the aircraft while firing shots from an automatic weapon and seized control of the plane. Neerja alerted the cockpit crew, who escaped through an overhead hatch in the cockpit. Hijackers ordered her to collect the passengers' passports. Sensing that the hijackers' key targets were Americans, Bhanot and her crew hid those passports under the seats and in the trash chute. Because of this, from a total of 41 American passengers, only 2 were killed. After 17 hours on the runway, the terrorists opened fire. Neerja stayed brave on the plane to help passengers escape through emergency exit. She died while shielding 3 children from terrorist fire. Neerja could have escaped. It is not necessary for her to shield children. She need not calm the hostages that 17 hours. She need not sacrifice her life just 2 days before her birthday. Though she took the path of rare, heroic, gutsy, she chose to face the situation. For this courageous deed, she was posthumously awarded the Ashoka Chakra, and the Indian Postal Service released a stamp in her memory, and also Tamga-e-Insaniyat Award by Pakistan. This is the story of Neerja Bhanot, flight attendant who saved 360 lives. Hail Neerja Bhanot!